question number 21, and it is saying there is a tower. There is a tower like this. Yeah, there is a building, whatever it is. There is a tower or there is a building, right? This is, and there is ground. There are 2 points C and D, and its height is 300 meter, right? Now angle of depression from to this point is 60 degree. Angle of depression is 60 degree. Is 60 degree. So this will also be of 60 degree, right? And this angle is of, and angle of depression from here is, this is of 45 degree. So this is of 45 degree. So this is of 45 degree, right? This is of 45 degree. Fine. Now this distance is x and this distance is d. So find d, right? Now if we go tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base, so it becomes root 3 is equal to 300 upon x. So x is equal to 300 upon root 3. If we rationalize the denominator, then root 3 becomes root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. So it becomes 100. So it is x is equal to 100 root 3, or we can say 100 into 1.732. So it is 173.2 meter. This distance is 173.2 meter. Now we come to tan 45. Tan 45 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base, right? Oh, so it is 1 is equal to, what is perpendicular? 300, and base is x plus b, sorry, x plus d. So cross multiplied, so x plus d is equal to 300. So d is equal to 300 minus 173.2, right? So what will be the d? 300 divided by 173.2. You carry 2, 1 here. This is 9. This is 10. Again 9. This is 10. 10 minus 2 becomes 8. Point 9 minus 3 becomes 6. And 9 minus 7 becomes 2. 0. So we get D is equal to 26.8 meter. So distance between C and D, distance between C and D is that is D is equal to 26.8 meter. What is your answer?
127 meter.
Again, I made a mistake, and won't say anything. There is 2 na. 2 minus 1 becomes
1.
1. So you get 126. So this is 126. Right? D is 126. So when D is 126, so it is 126.8 meter. Right? D is 126.8 meter. So 126.8 meter can be approximately 127 meter. Is this correct?
Yes.
126.8 meter. Right? So this is the question. This is the solution, and how you have to solve this. So what you was doing, man? Done? Hmm? What is next? #20. Hmm? Question number 20. What is that? There is a triangle. Huh? Like this. This is a triangle. Right angle triangle like this. This is perpendicular. This is of 90 degree. Right. What it is saying? Then there is this is a line, and this is a line. Right? Now what it is? It is called angle X, and it is called angle Y. Y degree. Okay. Then what? 10x is given you. 10x is how much? 10x is
2/5.
2 upon 5. Means perpendicular upon base. Okay. So this is 2, and this whole is 5. Okay. What next?
AF is 200.
What is?
AF is 200.
This is AF. And AF is equal to 200 meter. right? So we know that 10x is equal to 2 upon 5 is equal to this is t, to ft upon af. So it is 2 upon 5 is equal to ft upon 200. 4 times 5 times 4, 4 times 5 becomes 20, and cross multiplied, so 2 times 4 becomes 8. So ft is
80 meter.
80 meter. So this is 80 meter. Now what do you have to find?
Angle y correct to nearest degree.
AB, where is B? Okay, this is B, this is B, and AB is given you 80 meter. So this is how much?
120.
This is 120 meter. So tan y degree is equal to ft upon bf. So it becomes 80 upon 120, right? So it is cancelled out. 2 times 4 becomes 8, and 3 times 4 becomes 12. So it is 2 by 3. So when you divide it, it comes 0.6667, right? So how much it will be? So go through with your index book. Cos show me. Show me, show me. It's 42 degree. What is exercise? Which exercise is 20? Which the question is
20.
54 degree. we can take 33 degree 40 minutes, or we can take also 34 degree also. ठीक है? So this will be cos 33 degree 42 minutes or cos 34 degree. So angle Y is equal to 34 degree. Right? It will be like this. We done this? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Now, should I rub? Question number 19. What is that? Should I rub this? So, what is your question? Question number 19. Right? What is that? A point on a level ground, the angle of elevation of a vertical tower is found to be such that its tangent is 5 by 12 on walking 152. Okay. So point is like this. There is a tower. This is a tower. Right? And this is the ground. This is the ground. And this is point A. From here, when you take, this is say angle X, so 10x is equal to 5 by 12. 5 by 12. Okay. And when on walking 192 meter towards the tower, matlab when it is walking 192 meters towards the tower, this is B. So the tangent is tangent of the angle, then tangent is, this is Y degree, then 10y is equal to 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Okay. So when you take this whole distance, this is say x. You take 192 plus x, and this is x. This is h. Right? So when we take 10x is equal to 5 by 12, it means h upon 192 plus x, right? So so when we cross multiply it, how much you get? 5 times 2 becomes 10, 0, 1 carry, 9 times 5 becomes 45, 1, 1, 46, 4 carry, 1 time 5 becomes 5, and 4, 9, 960 plus 5x is equal to 12h, right? Now, if you take 10y, so 10y is equal to 3 by 4, it becomes h upon x. So you get it 3x is equal to 4h. So x is equal to 4 by 3h. X is equal to 4 by 3h. You get this?
Yes.
This much you understand? Huh?
Yes.
Now put this value of x here in this equation. So what you will get? 960 plus 4 by 3 h plus is equal to how much?
So into 1, 4 by 3 into 5.
X. Acha. Sorry. There is 5 is also there, na? So 5 bracket 5 bracket
4 by 3.
4 by 3 h is equal to 12h. Is it? Hmm? Sorry. This is 3 by 4. This is 3 by 4. So 4 will go up, 3 come down. So that 3x is equal to 4h. X is equal to 4 by 3. Okay. Done. So this whole equation is multiplied by 3. So you get how much? 0. 6 times 3 becomes 18. We get 1. 9 times 3 becomes 27. 128. 2880 into 3 cancel out plus 20h is equal to 36h, right? So you get 2880 is equal to 36h minus 20h. So 2880 upon 16h, right? So what is h? 1 time 16. So you get 128, 2880 divided by 16. 1 times 16 becomes 218. Now 8 times 8 times 6 becomes 48. We get 4. 1 time 8 becomes 8 and 4 12 118. So it is
180.
8 yeah, 10 is there. 180. 180 will be there. So H is equal to 180 meter. What is the height of the tower given to you?
180 meter.
So you get this? आगे समझ में?
Yes.
Okay.